Hey guys, this is Fundo on Shopagama. Coming up next on Uzalo this week, Monday. Konzi makes a surprise appearance at the Makwaza homestead. Meanwhile, Nonka makes a confusing discovery about her boyfriend, while Flavia worries about the controversial guest they have on their lineup Tuesday. When Wanda organized a laughing surprise party, everyone thinks he going to propose, especially with an evangelist bishop and Pope Mbata present. Hlelo takes her shot at Konzi and live on air Wednesday. Konzi action railing Kapsile up the wrong way, while Njinji discovers information about Mamba that just give her migraines. Kwanda succeed in elevating all of Nonka concept, but continue his searching for a wife. Thursday. Konzi tell Kapsile he not going to her lounge on. Vega wants to know what secret Nomas was keeping. While Mbata wake up strange at the beach Friday. Nomaswazi has a great idea on how the family can pay the debt collectors for their time begin. Hleziphi admits that Nonka and Gwanda are drug dealers. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.